Hi guys, welcome to Malkari channel. This is Naidu. Today onwards, I would like to give the all information about banks. Let's go to today topic. Today our topic is bank and different types of banks. Okay, first of all, what is meant by bank? Bank is a financial institution that is licensed to deal with with money and its substitutes by accepting time and demand deposits, making loans and investing in securities. Actually, banks get profits from the difference in the interest rates charged and paid, and also service charge. According to RBI Act, we have two types of banks. One is scheduled bank, non-scheduled banks. Coming to scheduled bank, as per Section 2E of RBI Act, a scheduled bank means a bank who is included in second schedule of RBI Act 1934. Coming to non-scheduled bank is a bank that is not included in the second schedule of RBI. Basically, now we have different type of banks. There are public sector banks, private sector banks, rural regional banks, foreign banks, cooperative banks. And recently, our RBI gave the license to these two banks also. That is payment banks and small banks. First one is public sector banks. So many members are no the banks. This is SBI, this is private means Access Bank. But actually, what is the public sector banks? I will tell you. Public sector banks are a major type of bank in India, where a majority stake, that means more than 50%, is held by government. The shares of these banks are listed on stock exchange. Second one is private sector banks. Private sector banks whose majority of the stake is held by the individuals and corporates. Third one is rural regional banks. Rural regional banks are Indian scheduled commercial banks, operations at regional level in different states of India. They have been created with a view of serving primarily the rural areas of India with basic banking and finance services. Here, ownership of RRBs are share divided like the government of India 50% and 35% sponsor bank and remaining 15% for state government. Fourth one is foreign banks. Foreign bank is obligated to follow the regulations of both the home and host countries because the foreign branch banks capital foreign banks can provide more loans than subsidiary banks. Coming to cooperative banks. A bank that holds deposits, makes loans and provides other financial service to cooperatives and member-owned organized simply say that banks were cooperative. Our newly introduced banks is payment banks. Payment bank is a new model of banks conceptualized by the RBI. These banks cannot issue loans and credit cards, but both current account and saving account can be operated. Payment banks can issue services like ATM card, debit cards, net banking, and mobile banking. Coming to last one, small finance banks. Small finance banks are a type of niche banks in India. The aim behind these to provide financial inclusion to sections of the economy not being served by the other banks, such as small business units, small and marginal farmers, micro and small industries, and unorganized sector entities. Okay, guys, we will meet next video. Please follow my channel, subscribe the channel, and press the bell icon for getting instant notifications of upcoming videos. And do drop your comments and below comment section. I will be addressing each and every comment. Stay tuned the channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.